Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make a super easy birthday card. I'm using white and orange colors for my card. You can match the colors as you prefer. I'm going to cut a flower now. Fold the paper like this and cut a petal shape. It will give you a flower with 6 petals. I'm using a glitter foam sheet to cut this flower. We need to cut a middle part for the flower, stem and some leaves for the flower. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. As the final step, we can write our greeting. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. Here are some more greeting card ideas by Craft Jenny. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.